ready to unlock a powerful way to connect with your customers and boost your sales, all within Zoho CRM. First, navigate to the Contacts or Leads module in your Zoho CRM account, where you'll manage your customer information. Select the specific contact you want to send an SMS message to. This will open their detailed record. Locate the SMS integration section. This might appear as a dedicated SMS panel or a custom button labeled Send SMS, depending on your setup. Now, compose your SMS message in the provided text box. You can personalize it using merge fields like contact name or company. Click on the Merge Fields option to automatically insert contact details directly into the SMS message, ensuring personalized and targeted communication. Schedule your message to be sent for a later date. Finally, review your message and click Send to dispatch the SMS directly from Zoho CRM. You can track the status of your sent SMS messages and analyze their performance with your chosen SMS extension. Start sending SMS through Zoho CRM today to elevate your customer engagement, automate important updates, and drive significant sales growth.